In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an arc in AutoCAD using the start, end, radius method. This is a really useful technique when you need to draw a precise arc based on two endpoints and a specific radius, instead of guessing the curve by eye. It's quick, accurate, and perfect for drafting, mechanical drawings, and any design work where precision matters. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials just like this. Now let's jump straight into the steps. First, open AutoCAD and make sure you're in the drawing area where you want to create the arc. On your keyboard, type arc and press enter. This activates the arcs command, which is the tool we need for this method. Once the command is active, look at the drawing area and right-click anywhere to bring up the shortcut menu. From that menu, click Start, End, Radius. This tells AutoCAD that you want to create the arc by selecting a starting point, an ending point, and then defining the radius of the curve. After that, click the start point in your drawing. This is the first point that will define one end of the arc. Next, click the end point. This will set the second end of the arc and help AutoCAD understand the direction and span of the curve. Now AutoCAD will ask you to enter the radius. Type in the radius value you want and press enter. The larger the radius, the flatter the arc will be. The smaller the radius, the tighter the curve will appear. And just like that, AutoCAD will generate the arc based on the start point, end point, and radius you entered. This is a great method when you need exact control over the shape of the arc without using trial and error. If the arc doesn't look right, you can always undo it and repeat the steps with a different radius value until you get the result you need. It's a simple but powerful tool, and once you get used to it, you'll be able to create accurate arcs much faster in your drawings. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.